Hey everyone, it's me Melody. I'm like recovering from a cold. So I know this is a nail haul, but I do have one non-nail item, which is the L'Oreal Ever Pure. It's for my hair, so I can get rid of the brassy tone. I have the yellow orange tone in my hair, so I can hopefully get rid of that. So I got the conditioner. And then I bought another thing of UV resin so I can make more charms. Because for some reason why is this sticky? That's alarming. It's a bigger thing of resin because the brand I was using, they didn't have the bigger size. So I'm just gonna open this up and hopefully it's not leaking everywhere. Because if it is, I'm not gonna get it. It comes with the spout, and then hold on. Then it comes in the bottle. This is leaking. That's not good. So this is supposed to be a 200 liter bottle. No, 200 milligram bottle. Hold on, let me put it back in the Amazon box so it won't get everywhere. It should say on the side right here. This is what I got. The barcode. Can't believe this is leaking though. Yeah, 300 grams. So I want to compare this to what I'm already using. Oh, closed. And then I ordered more of these molds. This is the barcode. I don't think I bought any molds from this brand. Hold on a sec. So these are the silicone molds that came in this. And I thought all of these were gonna be this size. So almost, but the first one up is this one. It's some seashells. I think those are flowers. I don't know, I'll find out when I use it today. But that's what that one looks like. And then this one, I'm slightly disappointed with how tiny those are. But I don't have any leaves, so that's gonna be fun to use. And then this one I was excited for. It's the hearts with the roses on the inside, and then some roses. And then I was really looking forward to these two, the rose hearts, so I can't wait to mold those. And then this, I was surprised with how huge it is, but I wanted more of the tiny hearts, so I can't wait to use this today. And then the last one is this. It has crowns. I was actually looking forward to using these little flowers. I forgot this had butterflies in it, which is going to be interesting to use. The crowns are going to be interesting. So that is it for my haul. Thanks for watching. Bye.